guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a little bittersweet for me because it is the end of an era. Not really, but this car's transformation has been such a learning experience for me already from where we started up until now, and I'm about to change the setup again. So yeah, this is the last time she's gonna look like this, so I'm excited, and stay tuned for the transformation. So I tried to film as much of the disassembly as possible. I think my GoPro died in the middle of it, so I have no idea where it stopped. But the moment we've all been waiting for. I've been a little nervous with this Hi-Ram as far as hood clearance, so we're about to test it out and see if it'll clear the hood. And I pray that it does, because we are only a little over 30, I think, days before Ford Fest. So let's see. Oh my god. It clears! Yes! So that's at least my worries for right now. Now I'm gonna try it with a throttle body. Hopefully that part clears. So we're not clear of the smoke just yet. Oh, this is gonna look so good though. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna clear. It's fine. I have full faith. Alright guys, Colin thinks it's not gonna clear. I think it will, just because I'm being optimistic. Oh my god. Let's go. I don't know if you can see me. It cleared. I won the bet. Where's my $100? Woo! Alright guys, so I actually took a little trip to Jeff's powder coating in Monroe. I've seen nothing but good work from him and his team. So I'm excited. I actually brought my Hi-Ram here, and then my roll bar is gonna get done. Basically, I'm just gonna do the lettering in Modoc Blue is what the color is called. It's made by Prismatic Powders, and then this will just be the same. So I'm excited, guys. So stay tuned for the after. All right, guys, so I am back at Just Powder Coating, picking up my parts, so let's check it out. In here. What?
Also, you can lay out whatever you want wherever you want to go.
Alright. So this is what it looks like, guys. We've got Modoc Blue from Prismatic Powders. Turned out super sick. This color is going to look so good with the silver. I am so impressed. They did an awesome job with a super fast turnaround, so it looks so good. We are back to our regularly scheduled programming. I'm going to be redoing the gasket seals, and then we're going to be bolting down the intake, doing the fuel rails, putting on the distributor, because we're getting down to the wire. We are about 2 weeks out from Ford Fest, so we have a lot to do. So we got the new gaskets in, as well as some intake studs here, and now we are ready to put the lower part of the Hi-Ram in. Alright, so next I'm going to be installing a Holley's dual sync distributor. It actually plugs and plays right into the Holley HP that I have on the car now. And it comes with, you can see it there, a cam and crank sensor, which is what I will need to use the smart coils for my car. It's got a CNC machine billet aluminum housing, very fancy. And it came with this cap, but I got a blank one instead from MSD, so that'll be nice. No more wires for me, and it also has some LED lights in here as well to help with the easy setup. So I'm excited to get this on the car. Alright, so now that we got that in, I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like with the blank cap, because it looks so good. I mean, oof, compared to what we looked like before. Anyway, so now that that's in, we are going to be moving on to our fuel lines next. So now it's fuel line time. And then once we do the fuel lines, I'm going to do another video for the smart coils. So I did an unboxing, but we can do another unboxing. Ooh. This. Ow. So we got fuel line here, and we got some of our fittings in this fitting as well. So yeah, let's get this on. So now you're going to put the adapters into the fuel rails here. I started this side already, and then I'm just gonna put the other one in here on this side, right? That. And then you'll just hand tighten it basically. So we've got our fuel line here. We're just gonna put this end on. Set it in here. I'm making a bunch of noise. Set it in here. Alright, and once that's in there, you're gonna want to spray this with some WD-40 and screw it in like so. So I'm just gonna start with this fitting here on the right. Okay, and we're gonna screw this side in. Once that's in, you're gonna want to line up your fuel line, and I have this marker here to mark about where you want to cut it. You want it to have a little bit of slack here, so you want to mark it right about there. Oops. And then you just want to cut it in that area. I cut the hose at the line that I made, and this is a complete hose with the fittings already tied on each side. So now we just have to put them on. Now the O-ring is in here. You put a little dab of silicone there, and then all we have to do is put the Hi-Ram lid on and bolt it on. I'm so excited that we got this bolted on. Next, we are going to be installing the smart coils and the wiring harness, so make sure you stay tuned for those videos. We are about a week and a half away from Ford Fest, so we're making great progress. And then the only thing we need to do after that is just the turbo kit, and I think we're ready to go. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and as always guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.